that is given if A, B, C are 3 points on a line segment, on a line, not line segment, on a line AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, AC equal to 8 centimeter. Which one of them lies between other two? Read the question carefully. If AB 5 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter and AC 8 centimeter. First tell me, among these three measures, which one is the greater? AB, BC or AC, which one is greater? Tell me quickly. AC. Okay, anyone else? Quickly, AC. So, AC 8 centimeter. So, draw a line 8 centimeter on the board. Draw a line 8 centimeter on the board. So, that is okay. That is AC. Okay. Now, what will be the next step? Next step, that AB equal to 5 centimeter. AB, first I have drawn AC. Okay. So, I get 2 points A and C. Then I have to draw AC. Sorry, AC I have drawn AB. AB equal to 5 centimeter. So, I should start from here, and after 5 centimeter I will plot the point B. Okay. So, A, B, that point is B. Okay. And BC, I will observe that BC equal to 3 centimeter. Automatically BC equal to 3 centimeter. So, what can we say? B is the middle of A and C. Got it? Got it, everyone? Any problem? Yes, B lies between. Yes, B is the middle of, B is in the, okay. B is in the middle of A and C. Very good, Sanchita. Mehtab, yes, very good. Got it? Have you any problem regarding this question? Have you any problem regarding this question? No, very good. Okay. Next question. Next question, question number 5. So that was question number 4. That is question number 5. A figure is given there. That verify that point D is in the middle of the line segment AG. You have to verify is D is the middle point, midpoint of AG. Okay. Yes or no? If it is yes, then why it is yes? Tell me also the reason. Yes. What will be the reason? What will be the reason? Okay, I am explaining that first of all, the question is you have to identify that D is in the middle or not of AG. From D, that how many units up to G? That is 1, 2, 3. So DG equal to 3 unit. Okay. and you have to measure up to A. So that is also 1, 2, 3. So DA also 3 unit. Okay. DG equal to 3 units, AD equal to 3 units. It means both the distances from A to D and G to D are equal. This portion are equal. AD equal to DG. It is clear that AD equal to DG. So it means that this is the midpoint of okay. Got it? Got it everyone? Yes, very good Srijita. Okay. Next question, that is question number 6. If B is the midpoint of AD, question number 6, if B is the midpoint of AG, okay, B is the midpoint of AG and C is the midpoint of B is the midpoint of AG and C is the midpoint of BD. Where ABCD on a straight line, say YAB equal to CD. Say YAB equal to CD. Okay, it means the line is not so long. A, B, C, D. Actually, I think students, any figure is given there. Actually, question number 6, any figure is given in your book, I think. Is it given? In your book, any figure is given in your book? No. P is the midpoint of AC. Okay, wait. Okay, wait 1 minute. Question number 5.1. Okay. Question number 6. Okay. If B is the midpoint of AC, if B is the midpoint of AC, then you can say B is the midpoint of AC, then you can say AB equal to AC. Okay, one thing, student. If B is the midpoint of AC, it means B is the midpoint of AC, it means you can say these two portions are equal, so AB equal to BC. Okay, that you have. Next portion that C is the midpoint of BD. C is the midpoint of BC. C is the midpoint of BD, not BC. C is the midpoint of BD. Okay, BD. So take here D point. Therefore, these two portions are equal. Therefore, BC equal to or CD equal to BC. CD equal to BC. We have to prove that AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. First of all, just look at the board. Okay, look at the board. B is the midpoint of AC. So forget about that portion. AC, B is the midpoint. So you can say AB equal to BC. Any problem up to this? Any problem? As B is the midpoint, then AB equal to BC. So one relation I have. Next statement, C is the midpoint of BD. So take here BD. So as C is the midpoint, so BC equal to CD. As BC equal to CD, so you can say CD equal to BC. Now just these two relation, that AB equal to BC and CD equal to BC. Right hand sides are equal. Right hand sides are equal. Then also left hand side will also be equal. AB equal to CD. Okay. Just for an example, Ram equal to 2 and Sam equal to 2. Then what can you say? That Ram equal to Sam? Can you say this? Because both of them are equal to 2. Here AB equal to BC and BCD equal to BC. Both of AB and CD are equal to BC. That's why AB and CD are equal. Got that concept? Sanchita got that concept why they are equal? Again I am taking that x equal to 2 and y equal to x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. Then you can say, sir, x equal to y. Okay? As the right hand sides are also equal, that's why left hand side are also be equal. Okay. Yes, I hope you got the concept. So students, today I have solved up to question number 6 of exercise 5.1. From the in the next class I will solve from the question number 7. Okay student, thank you, bye.